How to report Facebook account so it gets deleted. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be talking about how you can report a Facebook account so it gets permanently deleted. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So what you'll have to do is first report that account. So you can search for that account. So let's say that I want to report this account. All I have to do is tap on the three dots. There you'll see report profile option. Tap on that. And there you can choose why you want to report this. So there can be an example like, this is a fake profile. Here, let's tap on fake profile. You can choose who they are pretending to be and choose even their account. And after you have basically followed the on-screen instruction with multiple reports, not just one, you will need to have multiple reports. The decision will be taken by Facebook. They will review it. And if the account violates the community standards, they will basically delete the account itself. And that's the only way. A single report cannot delete an account. You will need to have multiple reports, so you can ask your friends and ask people that you know to report the account. And after few reports, after several reports and after the Facebook's review, they will delete the account. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.